Navigating Brevo SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. Protecting your email, Warmy blog. Today, we'll guide you through setting up Brevo SPF, DKIM, and DMARC to secure your email communications. This setup can significantly boost your email deliverability, ensuring your messages reach your customer's inbox. SPF, or Sender Policy Framework, is a crucial tool in preventing sender address forgery. It allows mail servers to verify whether incoming mail from a domain originates from an authorized host. When an email arrives, the receiving server checks the sender's domain DNS records for an SPF record. This record lists IP addresses permitted to send mail from that domain, flagging emails from unauthorized IPs as spam. DKIM, or Domain Keys Identified Mail, allows the receiver to verify if an email claiming to be from a domain was genuinely authorized by that domain's owner. It does this by attaching a digital signature to each outgoing email. DKIM uses a pair of encryption keys, one private, one public. The sender keeps the private key hidden. The public key is posted on the DNS record. An email is signed with the private key, and the recipient server verifies the signature with the public key. DMARC, or Domain-Based Message Authentication, Reporting and Conformance, leverages SPF and DKIM to authenticate email messages. It protects against direct domain spoofing and helps determine the action on emails failing SPF and DKIM checks. It ensures the sender's emails are SPF and DKIM compliant and provides feedback on message statuses. Implementing Brevo SPF. 1. Identify servers. List all servers sending emails for your domain. 2. Create SPF record. Add a TXT record in your DNS settings. 3. Publish record. Add the SPF record to your DNS management. 4. Test record. Validate your SPF record using online tools. Common SPF configuration pitfalls. Missing IPs. Regularly update SPF records to include all mail servers. Syntax errors. Use SPF generators and validators for correct syntax. Excessive DNS lookups. Keep SPF lookups under 10 by consolidating services. Setting up Brevo DKIM. 1. Generate key pair. Create a DKIM key pair in Brevo's settings. 2. Publish public key. Add the provided DNS TXT record to your domain's DNS. 3. Configure email. Set Brevo to use the correct domain and selector. 4. Verify. Use online tools to validate the DKIM record and test signatures. Configuring Brevo. DMARC. 1. Assess SPF and DKIM. Ensure SPF and DKIM are set up and validated. 2. Create DMARC policy. Choose a policy in Brevo's DMARC settings. None, quarantine, reject. 3. Generate DMARC record. Use Brevo to create a DMARC TXT record. 4. Publish DMARC record. Add the record to your DNS as a TXT entry at _DMARC. yourdomain.com. 5. Monitor reports. Review DMARC reports to track email authentication performance. 6. Adjust policy. Refine your policy based on report insights. How to easily create SPF and DMARC records with free tools using Warmy.io's free SPF Generator. Visit the Warmy.io SPF Generator page. Input your domain and authorized mail servers, IPs. Select the enforcement level, fail, soft fail. The tool creates a valid SPF record. Add the record to your domain's DNS TXT settings. Using Warmy.io's free DMARC generator, go to the Warmy.io DMARC generator page. Enter your domain, choose a policy, and add report emails. Create the DMARC record. Add it to your DNS as a TXT record at _DMARC. yourdomain.com. Best practices for email deliverability with Brevo. Use Warmy.io's email deliverability test. Check SPF, DKIM, and DMARC setup. Get a deliverability score and see if you're blacklisted. Check blacklist status. Verify email landing. See if emails land in inbox or spam and adjust content and practices accordingly. Remember to click like and subscribe before you exit. Thanks for your support.